Hi guys! Welcome to this channel. Do you want to know how to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you? Don't worry because you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a super simple method to do just that. Before we dive in, let me mention that you'll need at least 2 or 3 Instagram accounts to make this work. And don't stress, it's a quick process, so just stick with me until the end of the video to catch every step. Alright, let's start by opening up Instagram. As you can see, I'm on my main profile right now. To demonstrate, we'll go ahead and block my second Instagram account. First, we need to go to the search bar at the bottom and search for the second account. Once I find it, I'll tap on it to open the profile. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Go ahead and tap those and then select Block from the menu. Instagram will confirm that the profile has been blocked, and just like that, my second account is now blocked from my main account. Now, let's switch to my second account, the one that I just blocked, and search for my first account again. When we open the profile, you'll notice that you can't see any of the posts, followers, or any details of the account. This confirms that the block has been successful. Now, here's the interesting part: unblocking yourself. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't allow you to unblock yourself directly once you've been blocked. But don't worry, I have a trick for that. You're going to need a third account, like a friend's account or another one of your own. In my case, I'm going to switch to my third account. First, go to your Instagram homepage. Then swipe right to open the direct messages. In the top right corner, you'll see a little square icon. Tap that to create a new message. Now, you'll need to add both your primary account and the account that blocked you. Once both accounts are in the chat, just type a simple message and send it. It doesn't matter what the message says, just send anything to start the chat. Now, let's go back to the account that was blocked. Switch to your second account and head over to the Message Requests section in Direct Messages. You'll see the group chat you just created. Open it, and voila! You can now see the profile of the account that blocked you, and you can even send them messages. Keep in mind that while you can send messages, you won't be able to fully unblock yourself or view their posts, followers, or other content. But it's still a neat way to get in touch with someone who's blocked you. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.